You can easily modify Windows 11 to look more like Windows 10. In this video, we will go over how to change the taskbar and right-click menu to resemble Windows 10. The first change is to move the taskbar to the left instead of the center. Start by right-clicking the taskbar. Click Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and click Taskbar Behaviors. Set taskbar alignment to left. Note that Windows must be registered before this setting is available. New in Windows 11 is the modernized and simplified right-click menu, which hides a lot of commonly used features behind a Show More Options button. In the video description, you will find two files. One of them enables the Show More Options button and the other disables it. For Windows 10 style, you want it disabled. Right-click the file and then click Open. Restart the computer for the changes to take effect.